bitch fun like Jackie Brown. Yeah, you funny. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna country.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Bree here, aka Miss Maccaveli. As promised from my other one, I was gonna be doing a wash day video. It's real simple with dreads, y'all, but I'm just gonna be kind of going over the products that I kind of do and things like that. So stay tuned on my dread head. Lots of people with the dreads, and before using the shampoo and stuff, I do go in with my oils that I was showing you guys in my last videos. I just use my oils, my Kinky Roots my Kinky Roots oil that I made. So if you guys are interested, natural braids, locks is a very good oil. And for locks, you really don't want to put oil directly on your dry hair. You always want to do it when it's moist. So if you guys are interested, I did just recently record a video of how I maintain my locks, and that kind of goes over that information. But I do go in with a hot oil treatment just to give my locks some moisture and just strengthen them, because I did go swimming about 2 weeks ago and I did wash the chlorine out, but I don't think I got as good as a wash as I should have, and so that's what I'm going to do today. But first, I want to add some moisture. So after putting all them oils in my hair, you guys, I am just about to put my little bonnet on. It's like a conditioning bonnet, so the inside is kind of silky. I'm gonna let this sit on my head with my hooded blow dryer for about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it out.
You need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you playing me. 15 minutes later.
So y'all, after I get out the shower, I did put on a shirt on my head instead of a towel, just because I feel like it locks in the moisture, it doesn't strip your hair, and it doesn't like tug at your loose hair strands. So I do that, let it sit for a little bit, and I'm really finna go right into retwisting it and getting that done. So this is my hair, freshly washed after I've taken everything out. Check for y'all. They my hair can't stay with me. always be doing it in comparison to my tattoos. But yeah, y'all. These clips, you're locking gel or you're locking wax. I will be using the wax today. For the front, maybe a variety of both, and rubber bands. Sometimes I use clips, but since I'm gonna be doing 2-strand, I'm not gonna be doing no clips. So I'm really just gonna put the majority of my hair up like this, loosely up. Oh, can't forget in your comments is like, give me some gel. And for these, like the front part, I am.
Told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me.
I don't like parting my locks. We're not gonna do that. I'm not gonna fake the fun for y'all. I do not like parting them. Cause I heard over time, if you part your locks, you just won't make this big ass part in your head for some reason. If y'all know the reason, comment down below, cause I'm very interested. Cause I like the part look, cause at the end of the day, I want them to last. So yeah, it's simple as that. Like once you get the hang of it, you gonna be so fast. And you want to twist not the same direction, you want to twist them backwards. I twist my locks to the right. I've heard that it don't matter which way you twist them, it's as long as you're twisting them the same way every time. But you will twist them basically to the left. If you twist them if you're twisting the actual single dread to the right, when you're doing 2-strand, you're gonna twist them to the left. Vice versa, if that makes any sense. But look how sleek. Another way, if you don't know how to do the comb method, it could be like if you are parting your hair, you know, you're gonna part your hair, and then you're gonna get your gel or wax and put it on here. If I was y'all, I still would comb the product through, you know, and then you would start at the base with your fingertips and get as close as you can and twist it in the direction that you want. Once you do that, you can continue to twist till it is tight like so, and you will continue that all the way down and then sniff the lock. Boom, clipped. Another way to retwist would be the palm roll method. So I will put my product on there like so. and I would probably still comb it through. And then I literally would get the lock and twist it down the palm of my hand. Boom. That is probably the easiest method. You see how I just twisted them both to the right? Now I'm about to twist to the left. I'm gonna twist all the way down. Twist all the way down. It's gonna look like a rope, rubber band. And I put the rubber band on the end. But what I like to do is tuck my ends so they don't be loose. So it'd be like that. Voila. This is the finished product, you guys. What I'm about to do is sit under the dryer and come back when it's fully dry. All right, y'all, but this is the finished look. It's giving neat. Giving neat, so I really can move them back anywhere I want to. I could put them up if I wanted to and do something, but yeah, y'all, that's the finished look. So y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so y'all know when I post. Definitely some comments below. I love interacting with y'all and knowing what y'all thought of the video. So be sure to do that. But I so enjoyed making this video for y'all. Be sure to tune into the next one. And I'll see y'all then.